You probably have a router. It gives you Wi-Fi, but here's the problem. Without a VPN router, your internet provider can see every website you visit. So can hackers on public Wi-Fi and anyone else sharing your network. A VPN router fixes all of that. Let me explain what it is and how it works, in plain English. A VPN router is just a normal router that has special software installed. That software connects your entire router to a VPN service, like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or WireGuard. Once connected, every single device on your Wi-Fi gets protected automatically. Your laptop, your PlayStation, your smart fridge, even a guest's phone. You don't need to install apps on anything. Here's how it works in 4 simple steps. 1. You type a website address on your phone or laptop. The data is now protected at the source.
So a VPN router isn't magic. It's just a smarter router that encrypts all your traffic before it leaves your home. One setup, infinite protection for every device, all at once. If you want to hide your whole digital life, a VPN router might be the best upgrade your network ever gets. The biggest win? Whole home coverage. Game consoles, streaming sticks, smart displays, and IoT devices, none of which support VPN apps, are now hidden behind the router's VPN. Plus, you can't forget to turn it on. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, you're protected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.